Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best wrap belt for women's dresses, the WHIPPY Women OB Belt Fashion Wraparound Wide Waistband Knotted Belt. This stylish accessory is designed to instantly elevate your outfit with its elegant and versatile design. The WHIPPY OB belt is crafted from double-sided soft PU leather, which not only offers a luxurious look but also ensures a comfortable fit throughout the day. The material feels smooth and lightweight, providing durability without sacrificing style or comfort. The wide waistband measures approximately 3.82 inches, giving you that perfect cinched waist effect that can enhance any dress, shirt, skirt, or coat. This belt comes in multiple sizes to accommodate a range of waist sizes, from 22 inches all the way up to 50 inches, making it accessible and flattering for many body types. Its wraparound design is incredibly versatile. There's a side hole to thread the strap through, allowing you to tie it in various ways, whether you prefer a neat bow or a long, flowing knot. This feature makes it easy to adjust and style to your preference, whether you're going for a casual look or dressing up for a special occasion. One of the highlights of this belt is its ability to complement different outfits and seasons. Its solid color and elegant design make it a perfect accessory year-round, whether layered over a lightweight summer dress or paired with a cozy winter sweater. It's also lightweight enough that you won't feel weighed down, yet sturdy enough to maintain its shape and hold. Caring for the WHIPPY OB belt is simple. Just a dry cloth clean is enough to keep it looking fresh and new. Plus, it's imported with attention to quality and design detail, ensuring you receive a fashionable and durable accessory. If you're looking for an affordable way to add a polished and refined touch to your wardrobe, this OB belt is an excellent choice. It's a great gift idea for friends or family who love fashion and accessories as well. Whether you want to define your waist or add a unique statement piece to your outfit, this belt does the job beautifully. That wraps up our review of the WHIPPY Women OB Belt Fashion Wraparound Wide Waistband Knotted Belt, the best wrap belt for women's dresses. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews.